Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the bedtime mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see the bedtime mode icon. Looks like this. If you don't see it, you can scroll through the different pages of the quick panel to find it, but by default it's right here. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, and once you enable it, the screen will get dimmer, and also if you go back to watch face, you will see this on the screen, basically telling you that the bedtime mode is enabled. It will display the current time and also tell you that it will be enabled until you turn it off. And if you want to disable it, you can tap on turn off like this, or you can simply go back to watch face by pressing the back button. You will see this icon right here. This indicates that the bedtime mode is enabled, but you can open the quick panel and tap on the icon again to disable it, like this. Okay, you can also set the schedule for the bedtime mode, so basically when it should turn on automatically and when it should turn off automatically. And to do it, we need to open the settings. So let's open the quick panel, tap on the settings icon, scroll down, find the option called advanced features and tap on it, and here find the option called bedtime mode, select it, and we can enable or disable the mode simply by tapping on the switch, of course. But if you scroll down, you should see the option called turn on as scheduled, and you can enable it. And once you enable it, you will have a few more options: days and set schedule. If you tap on days, you can select the days on which the schedule should be active. So for example, I want it to be active only on Thursdays and Tuesdays. So I selected Tuesdays and Thursdays. Next we have the set schedule, and here we can set the start time, so basically when it should turn on. I'm gonna set it to something like 11:30. Then end mode, and then tap on save. So now the bedtime will turn on automatically and turn off automatically on Tuesdays between the 11:30 p.m. and 6 a.m. Or rather, it will turn on 11 p.m. and turn off at 6 a.m. My bad. Also, what the bedtime mode does is basically it turns off all of the sounds on your watch, and also turns on the do not disturb mode, so you won't get the notifications, and it will disable the rise wrist to wake screen, so basically your screen won't wake up when you rise your wrist, and also disables the always on display, and that's another option, and makes the screen look dimmer, so you won't get wake up by it. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the bedtime mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.